Hazrat Miqdad bin Aswad radiyallahu anhu reports that Ubaidullah bin Adi bin Khiyar narrates that Hazrat Miqdad bin Amr al-Kandi, who was an ally of Banu Zohra and the one who participated in the battle of Badr together with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tells that he submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Tell me, if I fight with meat, an infidel, and we fight together violently, and he strikes one of my hand with his sword and cuts it off, then taking a refuge in a tree says, I have accepted Islam for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Can I kill him after he had said so?" O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Don't kill him." I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam," but he had cut off one of my hands before uttering these words. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You should not kill him, because if you kill him now, he will be in the position in which you were before you killed him, and you will be in the position in which he was before uttering these words." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4019.